Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to change pointer color on Mac or increase the size of this particular arrow. So how to do it? It's very simple process. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply click here Apple menu, system preferences, and here accessibility. Inside the accessibility, click the display. Inside the display, here pointer options are available. Inside the pointer options, so look at this here. First of all, we are increase the size of this particular mouse arrow. So look at this, the automatically size is increased, but you can select here which size you want like accordingly. Suppose for example I select this one, and now pointer outline color is white, so you can change the color like red, green, blue, or which color you like accordingly. Suppose for example I select this one, and then here black, inside the color is black, so you can select as a white also like this. It's very simple to change. Then if you want reset, so you can very easily reset and reduce the size, and that's it. It's very simple process to use and change your arrow cursor and arrow size and colors. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.